Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So a quick disclaimer, you will be able to recreate all of these steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. If you want to, you can check our tutorial of how to do it. If not, you can actually add it during the process of enabling the Google backup. Alright, so let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. Now let's tap on Backup and Restore option. And as you can see here, we've got Google Backups. We've got the backup account, and we've got also the information that there is no account added to backup the data. So let's simply tap on this option. And as you can see, here I've got my previously added Google account, so I can freely choose it from the list, or you can tap on Add Account and add totally another one, or actually you will be automatically transferred to this section to add the account. So in my case, I have to only tap on the account, and here we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, we can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And as you can see, our backup account has been immediately added to this section, which means that from now on your device will back up the data there. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.